we had to improvise a different one because that one, the bottle cracked. So I was trying to pump air into it, but nothing would happen because the top of my foamer cracked, the bottle. It's a shame. Well, that was only about a year old. I used it 3 times. So that did really bite. But it is what it is, right? So what you gonna do? When I put this cleaner here, it's degreaser, Dark Fury, and it's pretty much it. I just let it soak up, and then we'll let it do its thing, and then I will rinse it. All right, I don't usually leave it, soaking for too long, because the protectant that I put on this engine months ago is still here. So just cleaning up, make it look good, get the dust out. So it's one of those touchless cleaning. Oh yeah, look, the sealant that I put on the hood is still here. Wow, that's great. All right, so let's do this here. I like to do this if I can, run the blower on it. So you can get most of the water out. All right, before we wrap up the engine bay, let me do a couple more things that Mike always does. So first things first, obviously, Mike wouldn't be Mike. Mike didn't top off the windshield washer, right? I'm gonna tell you this. Car detailing supply companies, windshield washer companies will never be bankrupt as long as I drive and I detail cars. Don't mind the bottle, okay? I got protecting 303 here, but my bottle broke, so I'm using this one here. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna let the engine run a little bit. All right, so here we are. I'm gonna change the spray gun, do a final rinse underneath the car. You can bring the car down. But it looks better, that's all I care. Let's go to the other side. Just getting ready for the final rinse. That's why you always aim it to the ground. And when that does happen to you, you always have a spare one. So don't need to go under the car to pick it up. I'm not blocking the camera. It looks much better. That's how I care. You guys see it there? Nice and clean. And we'll, since I have the car up in the air, might as well put my, I'm mixing a couple chemicals here for the undercarriage spray. All right, guys, as you can see, that's the finished product. Came out pretty good. If you ask me what products I spray under there, I cannot tell you because it's a truckload of products that I don't really care for using as tire dressing or plastic trim or rubber protectant. I just mix all of them. I got some leftovers, I need to get rid of it. Yeah, I just spray it underneath the car. Came out pretty good. And let's take it to the engine bay now.